Alright, good morning. Another beautiful day here at the homestead. Quiet, cold. We got some snow. We started getting snow about, I think, Wednesday. But I just shoveled the approach and let the driveway go because it was still warm, awful wet. I hate plowing when it's muddy. It turns into like a plow grade type thing. So that's on the agenda this morning, get that plow hooked up, get the driveway taken care of, get over, hit the neighbors, and then we'll replenish the wood stock for the week. We'll get our totes, empty totes hauled out and get some new ones brought in. I go through about 330 gallon totes of wood a week, about 3/4 full. I don't fill them all the way up. Tractor struggles a little bit, and if they get froze to the ground, I can't pick them up. But yeah, so that's what we're doing. That heats the barn on the weekends in the house. That's legit what we use. All right, we're gonna get after it. Really good. Just gotta hook the cables up. I should have pulled them out before I hooked the plow up. All right, we're all hooked up. I hope it works. Got the dogger in there. He's all ready to go to work. Looks sad, don't he? Sad, or he thinks he's in trouble. I don't know. Oh, there you go. Yeah. And that's what we're going to tackle. Not a big deal. Alright, that's what we're looking at. This is the control. Kind of on a little joystick deal here. Still trying to get used to it. Got my co-pilot. We got the heat on. I think we're ready. So we've had a lot of warm weather this year. The ground's really not froze. I don't think it's froze yet this winter. So when we get a snow, even though we get 6 inches or so, and I got a nice driveway, at least considering. It's gravel. It gets pretty hard in the summer, you know, it's not total shit. But you go to plow when the ground's not froze and it just seems to make a mess. Plow digs into the dirt, and sometimes I wonder if it's worth it. But we made a couple swipes down here. We got it so the wife won't get stuck. Went to the neighbors and just did a little bit, not much, because I don't want to tear up half their darn yard. But we're calling it. It's hardly worth putting the plow on. Alright, that's all I got.